Guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to recover the Discord account without email or phone number. So first of all, you have to just open your favorite browser. I am using the Google Chrome browser, and then search here the sport.discord.com and then press OK or go. So it will take a while for loading. After this, you have to just click on the three vertical lines at the top right corner, and then you have to just click on the submit a request. Here you have to just answer for some questions that what can we help you with. You have to just click on help and support, and now you have to just put here your email address. You can use any active email address here, and after this you have to just click on type of question. You have to just select here missing and delete emails. If you not find this option, then you also select the forget email or the password. Now put here the subject as account recovery and then scroll down, and in the last of the page you have to just put here the description that hi Discord bot, I forgot my password and I don't have access to my Gmail. Please help me to recover my account and reset my password, my account username, and put your username of Discord account and create some thanking word. After this you have to just click on the submit. Within a couple of the days you will get response from the Discord team. So guys, that's all for this video. You can also visit my website whose link I have shared in my description for more information. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks.